Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to close open apps on Samsung Galaxy Watch. So here I have a Galaxy Watch 8 and how to close apps on this watch. We have two ways. The first one, just press on the back button and here we have the open apps and you can close one by one. Just press and swipe to the top again like this, or you can close all. If you swipe to the right, we have here one active in a background, but this one you can stop, you can close this app. Okay. Now the second way, for that you can go to all apps and just tap here in the top on this icon. And again here we have the open apps and just swipe one by one, or tap on close all, and that's all like this. And now as you can see, we don't have any more open apps, just one active in the background. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.